Hi there, this is Architect David Barcelona. Welcome to Arkida, where you will learn anything and everything about construction. Today, we will be discussing about how to install floor finishes using stone and tiles. Basically, when you install stone or tile finishes, you should be placing a backer board. Usually these are pieces of plywood which is either 1/2 inch thick or 3/4 inch. But in most practices they use 3/4 inch thick plywood. For a wood floor finish, you will install your backer board on top of it. Then you will install your finishes. Meaning to say, with this picture here, it is a tongue and groove type of wooden floor finish. In the event that you would like to install this floor finish on a concrete base, this is how to do it. You install your 3/4 inch plywood, then you install your flooring on top of it. Again, this example shows a tongue and groove type of flooring. Now, in the event you would like to install tiles, you will have your backer board. Then you will have a 1/2 inch thick cementitious backer unit or just plain cement. Then you place your latex Portland cement mortar bond coat or what is called as adhesive tiles. Then you install your ceramic tile on top of it. Now your backer board usually comes into two types. It's either a CDX or an OSB. The CDX is a veneer plywood which is manufactured by gluing and pressing together sheets of wood. The letters C and D represents the grades of either side of the plywood, while X stands for exposure. While OSB, on the other hand, stands for Oriental Strand Board, which is a cheaper version of CDX. It is made of wood chips, resin, and glue cast and baked together to produce a CD-like sheet. Now, for a concrete sub-base, it would look like this, meaning to say, you will have to install your floor finishes that would look like this. You will have to install wood sleepers. What are sleepers? Sleepers are to maintain the levelness of the floor because it is not always guaranteed that the concrete slab or the concrete sub-base is level. So you will use your sleepers to adjust the levelness of your floor. Now, in the event you do not like to place a sleeper or you feel that their concrete sub-base level is already enough, you can place right away your backer board. Make it a double backer board so that the first backer board will maintain that level while the secondary backer board will be where you will start to install your actual finish. Now this video will show you how to install carpet tiles or vinyl tiles. You may place an underlayment on top of the backer board before you start putting in your vinyl tiles or carpet tiles. Now using your adhesive, you will just have to stick your carpet tiles and your vinyl tiles on top of your underlayment.